Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Apex Legends on PC with a PlayStation 4 controller. First, connect your PlayStation 4 controller to your personal computer. You can use a standard USB cable for a direct connection. Alternatively, a Bluetooth adapter allows for wireless gameplay. Ensure your computer recognizes the controller as an input device before proceeding. This initial step is crucial for seamless integration and a smooth gaming experience. We will cover both wired and wireless setup options. Next, launch Steam on your computer and enter Big Picture mode. This mode is designed to enhance controller navigation and configuration. Within Big Picture mode, locate the controller settings menu. Here, you must enable PlayStation configuration support. This critical step allows Steam to properly interpret your PlayStation 4 controller's inputs, ensuring it functions correctly with Apex Legends and other compatible games. Take a moment to confirm these settings. Once your controller is configured in Steam, launch Apex Legends directly through the Steam client. Inside the game, navigate to the Settings menu and find the controller options. Here, you can fine-tune various aspects like aiming sensitivity, dead zones, and button assignments. Experiment with these settings to discover what feels most comfortable and effective for your personal playstyle. Many players find adjusting these to be key for competitive performance. To ensure the best experience, regularly update your controller drivers and the Steam client. If you encounter any issues, a simple restart of your personal computer and controller can often resolve minor glitches. For advanced customization, or if you face persistent problems, consider exploring third-party software like PS4 Windows. This can offer additional control over your PlayStation 4 controller's functions, providing a more tailored gaming experience on your PC.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.